Hi, this is Mike Walker at CIH Solutions. This is just a quick demo of our Power BI connector for ForMe. It provides direct and live access to all of your ForMe data. To achieve the same degree of flexibility with reporting, we know that some ForMe customers try to keep an SQL database in sync with their ever-changing data, and some are even spending time exporting a ton of CSV files. Neither of these options are ideal, and they're not much fun from a security perspective either. Okay, so I've opened Power BI and I'm going to select our connector. As you can see, I'm prompted to select the ForMe environment that I want to report on. I can click through and I am required to authenticate against that. This ensures users of our connector only have access to the data they're authorized to see. And we're actually using Azure single sign-on in our QA instance. And my browser's already authenticated against that, so it's going to skip me straight through without needing to re-enter a password. Okay, we're at the navigation screen and you can see that we have a full list of object types that are contained within ForMe. For the sake of the video, we're only going to be returning a small subset of fields for each of these objects. As we scroll through, we can click on the object types and see a summary of the data that's contained in those. I'm choosing organizations and requests. As I continue the demo and create a few sample outputs, I'm going to give you a bit of a background on our use case for this. CIH Solutions provide managed services such as hosting, configuration, customization and support for a wide range of ITSM toolsets. In fact, we use ForMe to deliver these services. We are impressed by the out-of-the-box reports that are included in ForMe, but we also have a requirement to provide branded service reports to each of our clients on a monthly basis. These reports cover a fairly standard set of data such as SLA performance and agile board information. But we do have some more complex reporting requirements against custom collections, which is what we use for our token-based charging model. And we also need to summarize information contained within UI extensions, particularly against configuration items. Our Power BI connector means that these reports can be generated quickly and consistently, and it also provides us with a great deal of control over how that content is presented to the clients. If you want to know more, feel free to reach out to us or join us at ForMe Connect 2023.